In this video, I'll show you how to easily enlarge app icons on any iPhone. Make sure to watch until the end to avoid any mistakes. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app. Next, scroll down until you found Display and Brightness. Then, scroll all the way down to locate the Display Zoom option. Here you can increase the size of icons and the interface. Simple switch from the default settings to larger text. Tap on that option, then hit Done. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Tap on it to proceed. Your device will freeze for a few seconds while it applies the changes. Afterward, you'll notice that all the text and system menus, including app icons, are now larger and easier to read. Make it simpler to interact with your iPhone. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumb up.